Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix my Wix website. So whether it's slow loading, broken links or design issues will help you get your website back on track in no time. Let's dive in. So broken links can frustrate users and harm your site's SEO. Use Wix SEO tools to check for broken links. You can navigate to site and mobile on Wix dashboard, navigate to SEO, scroll down and navigate to the URL redirect manager. Click there and here you'll have to just fix any links that are leading to non-existing pages or incorrect destinations. Now, slow loading is one of the most common issues. Optimize images by compressing them. Use the Wix site performance tool to diagnose problem and implement suggestions for faster load times. You can minimize unnecessary animations and third-party apps too. So just make sure that the images you have uploaded on your Wix website are compressed. Now, outdated content can hurt your website effectiveness. Review and update your text, images, and products. Keep your content fresh and relevant to your audience. Also, check your website on mobile as issues may not be visible on desktop. You can use Wix Mobile Editor to fix design or layout problems and ensure that all features like buttons and images are responsive and easy to navigate on smaller screens. Now, you can navigate to your Wix homepage for the site, click on Edit Site, navigate to the Wix Editor where you can edit the design and ensure that elements like text boxes, images, buttons are aligned properly and sized properly. If certain sections are overlapping or misaligned, correct them through the editor. Now, test all forms and payment gateways to make sure that they are working. And if users can't submit forms or check out, it may impact conversions. So go to Settings and check form submissions and payment options to ensure that they are functioning correctly. And if you have added custom code, it could be causing issues. So make sure that your code is clean, error-free and optimized. Remove any unnecessary or outdated code from your website, and once you have made the fixes, preview your website to see how it performs. Check for any lingering issues or bugs and ask a friend or colleague to navigate the site and report any issues they encounter. Congratulations, your Wix website should now be in better shape. Make sure to test it regularly to keep everything running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.